Hello guys, how are you? I am your host Krishnpal, and today I'm gonna show you something special about Windows 11. As you can see, I have installed Windows 11 right here. It has completely new user interface. The start button is here. You can obviously change it as it is Windows, but I'm gonna show you right now how you can install Android applications and everything the easy way, not the hard way. And let's jump into it. So first, what we are going to do, first you have to download this Windows subsystem for Android. Now if you are outside of US, you cannot download this. You will get an error, your region is not supported, blah blah blah. You don't have to worry, as I will show you how you can do it. You can just go directly to this link. It's a fast download link. You can go directly to this link. I have provided this link in our description. You can go here, you can click on this download, and boom, it has started download. Takes around 10 minutes. It depends on your internet connection. I will not download it because I have already downloaded. Yep, here it is. If I go show in the folder, now as you can see, it has been downloaded. You should not install it directly. So what you have to do, you have to right click on the start button, right click, then you have to go Windows Terminal Admin. Okay, here it is. You have to type this command, add-appxpackage, and then path. I'll copy and paste it. Everything is provided in the description, so you don't have to worry about it. And then I'll put a space bar. Now you have to right click on this package, copy as path. You have to go again to this Windows PowerShell. You have to paste it and hit enter. As you will hit enter, it will start to install. There will be no error. As I have already installed it, I will not install. I'll get back. Now you have installed Windows system for Android. You can start, you can verify everything. Now people are saying you will need an Amazon App Store to download and do other things. Yes, you can use the VPN. Yes, obviously you can use VPN and everything to download and use this Amazon App Store and everything, but the speed will be really slow and it is not worth it. So what you can do, you will go to the link that I have provided, github.com. Here the green sign code, you have to click on it. You have to download the zip. Okay, download zip. As soon as it is downloaded, here we can see, you will have to open it. You will have to click on it, copy all the files, then you have to close it. Now listen carefully, go to Windows C. You have to go view, show hidden items, make sure it is checked. Go to user, again user, then this hidden folder, app data. We will click on it. We will go roaming, ADB. We will paste everything here. Now all the hard work, it's done. Now whatever application you want to install, you can just go directly on Google. Like I want to install Google podcast APK. There you go. You will go to APK Pure. It's a really easy to use website, not that much of ads and everything. You will just download APK. It's simple, and you can see the APK has been downloaded. Now I'll go to my downloads folder. As the APK has been downloaded, there it is, the podcast. Now what you will do, as we have pasted everything here, first you run fixes and everything, all these settings, installer. You have to run everything, because if there is any bug, this fixer will fix it. So you first run it. Now as you can see, I have this podcast edit app here and installer here. I can just drag it here onto the installer. I will run it, and boom, already connected to 1.127.0 and something like this. Now your app is installed. It's that easy. I will just click on the search, and here you can see the podcast edit, light theme, dark theme, whatever you want. Google Drive sign in, you can do it all. Podcasts, you can search here, click here. As you can see, I have already installed this Mangazon because there are a lot of apps and we wish that we can get those on our computers. See, Tokyo Revengers, I want to read it. I'll go here, I'll go to the first chapter, and boom, I have it at my fingertips. Any app you want to install, you just go on Google, you just go to the APK Pure, you open this website, whatever you want to install. You don't have to install this Amazon, whatever it is. The download speed will be very low, and you can install pretty much everything and enjoy your day. That's about it. Fast and easy method. I'll see you in the next one. If you guys have any question, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to resolve it. Have a good day.